The linkages developed between the Pakistani and Afghan nationals at these training camps proved particularly fruitful for the Taliban when they took upon their countrymen in the early 1990s. For Pakistan, it had a far-reaching impact on the sectarian harmony. Many Afghan jihad veterans ended up as the most wanted terrorists in the country. The security officials believed that their strong links with madrasas was a key to their success in eluding arrest. However, the madrasa officials termed such reports as attempts to malign the institutions of religious learning.
अगर इन मदारिस से दहशतगर्द तैयार होते होते और ये दहशतगर्दों की पनाहगाहें या उनके ट्रेनिंग सेंटर होते तो फिर ये अफ़गान वार से पहले भी होते और उससे पहले भी इनके अंदर इस तरह की सवालात उठते और आज भी पाकिस्तान के जितने मदारिस हैं वो न ज़मीन के नीचे हैं न वो आसमान के ऊपर हैं, वो बिल्कुल ज़मीन के ऊपर हैं और उनके 24 घंटे गेट खुले होते हैं।
According to jihadi folklore, the first Pakistani killed in Afghanistan was a college student from Karachi and an activist of Islamic Talaba, the student wing of Jamaat-e-Islami Pakistan. Decades down the line, the Islamic Talaba still appears to be taking part in the Afghan conflict, but this time they are up against the US, their main sponsor against the Soviet forces in the Afghan jihad era. In July of 2008, Bahadur Khan Jhakkar, the Jhang Amir of Jamaat-e-Islami, received the news of the death of his son Ubaidur Rahman in the province of Helmand in Afghanistan. Ubaid, a student of a university in Islamabad, lost his life fighting the NATO forces alongside the Taliban. Jhakkar, who has no photograph of his son, says that jihad is not the exclusive domain of the madrasa students.
असल ना मदारस के बारे जो इस वक्त ये इम्प्रेशन बन गया ना जी कि सारी दुनिया में ये जो जिहाद की फ़िज़ा बनी है इसमें मदारस का रोल है और मदारस ही बुनियाद हैं इसकी और मदारस को अगर किसी रास्ते पर डाल दिया जाए तो इस फ़िज़ा का रुख बदला जा सकता है। ये बात भी मैं समझता हूँ कि अपनी जगह पर दुरुस्त नहीं है। ये अफ़गान जिहाद में बुनियादी रोल मदारस का नहीं है, बुनियादी रोल तो कॉलेजों का है, यूनिवर्सिटियों का है।
One study made by a doctor of people who came back from jihad in Afghanistan and were imprisoned, about 2,000 boys, it shows that most of them were recruited from the mosques. So the mosque was the main center from where these boys were taken. And it's only after listening to the clergy that the boy was inclined. Of course, there were cases of rich boys who never went to the mosque but were persuaded by the media, by the way we actually projected this jihad among people, because jihad was owned by the state in a secret way. It was a deniable war, but was owned by the state and projected positively on TV and other media.
Madressahs were involved in resisting the government.
जिसके हाथ में आपने कलाशनकोफ पकड़ा दिया किताब वापस लेकर, अब उसकी तो ट्रेनिंग कलाशनकोफ की हो गई है।
जो मुजाहिदीन को दहशतगर्द कहने वाले हैं, इन तमाम का हाथ उनकी कमर के ऊपर हुआ करता था।
जो उस वक्त जिम्मेदार लोग कहते थे कि हमारी फौज बहुत मजबूत है, वो संभाल लेगी। मैंने तो बार बार मुतनब्बे किया कि ये आप पाकिस्तान की बुनियादों में टाइम बम रख रहे हैं।